How are you? We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin. Vitalik Buterin just gave Shiba Inu Shib News $100 million. As the amount of money traded in Shiba Inu hits $300 million, people are curious about what the price will be. Investors are asking if this increase in trading is due to large investors, who are often called whales, buying more shares. As the market tries to guess what will happen to the price of Shiba Inu, many people are closely watching the moves of these whales to get an idea of how much the coin could grow. In this movie, we'll talk about how Vitalik Buterin just put $100 million into Shiba Inu Shib News. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu's leash token recently made the news because its trade volume went up a lot after it was added to a new exchange. The token, which was made to compete with Dogecoin, has quickly become popular with investors because of its unique features and strong backing from the community. The new offering of the exchange, has increased the amount of leashes that are traded by more than 900%. The exchange, which is based in Hong Kong and registered in Seychelles, has made it easier for a wider range of buyers to use leash trading pairs with USD and BTC. Many people in the cryptocurrency world have taken notice of Leia's huge rise in trade volume, which has led to discussions about the token's growth potential in the future. Some experts say that the token's listing on ZCOM could be a big step forward that helps it reach more people and get more traction. Shiba Inu and its tokens have a lot of support from the community, which has also helped the trading volume go up. Many fans buy and hold the tokens as long-term investments. Even though leash is getting a lot of attention, some buyers are still cautious and warn that the token's value may be unstable and subject to market changes. Some experts also said that the recent rise in trading volume could be a short-term trend and that the token's long-term success will rest on things like how well it is used by the community and how the market is doing in general. Still, the listing of leash on ZCOM has caused a lot of excitement and interest in the cryptocurrency community. Many investors are eager to see what will happen to the token's price and trade volume. The price of Shiba Inu currency has been affected by the fact that more and more cryptocurrency whales are selling joke coins. Reports say that these whales used to own Shib coins that were worth $1 billion. The price of Shib coins has also gone down because of the current bearish trend in the cryptocurrency market and the Federal Reserve's hawkish attitude. Shiba Inu, a meme-inspired coin, now has more than 1.3 million addresses that hold it on the Ethereum blockchain. Based on data taken from the Ethereum blockchain by CoinMarketCap and first reported by Finvault, this happens just before the planned launch of Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 scaling option. At the moment, there are 1.305 million Ethereum addresses that hold Shib. This cryptocurrency passed 1.3 million addresses earlier this month. At the start of the year, it was held by 1.275 million addresses. On Saturday, the cryptocurrency market closed down because U.S. economic data was released. This led to rumors that the Federal Reserve might raise interest rates more quickly to stop inflation. The numbers, which were released on Friday, showed that export prices went up by 0.8% a year, which was the opposite of the 0.2% drop that was expected the week before. Statistics from Thursday showed that fewer people than expected applied for unemployment benefits, and producer prices went up in January. These numbers, along with hawkish comments from two Fed officials on Thursday and predictions from Goldman Sachs and Bank of America that the Fed will raise rates 3 more times this year, have led some investors to start preparing for more tightening. The numbers made some buyers react, according to Sean Cruz, who is the head trading strategist at TD Ameritrade in Chicago. People's bad feelings about the cryptocurrency market and the chance of an interest rate hike were seen as important factors that hurt the price of shitcoin. Shiba Inu kept going down during the last trade session, dropping by more than 1%. This drop happened at the same time that Bitcoin suddenly stopped its recent rise after the CPI news came out. Shiba Inu is selling at 13 cents, and $268 billion worth of it is traded every 24 hours. Shiba Inu has dropped by 0.89% in the last 24 hours and is now ranked 14th in the market. From a technical point of view, the live market value of Shiba Inu is $7.2 billion. Shiba Inu couldn't go above 132 cents, which was held by a falling trend line. If the coin falls below this level, it is likely to find support right away around 126 cents. If the price goes down, the next goal could be 1,170 cents if it falls below 126 cents. After a disappointing couple of weeks for market winner Bitcoin, the crypto community is divided on how the market is moving. After a big jump at the beginning of the year, the oldest digital asset is now worth between $22,000 and $24,000. The recent tight trading range says that another breakout is coming, but nobody knows if it will be in a bullish or bearish direction. The rest of the market closely follows the leader, and the last few months and years have shown that this is usually the case. Hitoshi Kusama, who is in charge of development, says that the long-awaited Shibarium Layer 2 scaling option should be ready before May. Shiba Inu fans might have to wait a little longer for the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling option to come out. Shibarium has been mentioned by developers on different platforms and at different times, but fans of the popular meme coin still don't know when it will be out. But Shiba Inu fans might want to keep an eye out in the months before May. Even though it's not for sure that the releases will happen before May, a new tweet from the lead creator of Shibarium makes it sound like it might. Lucy, whose Twitter name is Lizzie Shib, is a famous Shiba Inu influencer who shared a screenshot of the lead developer's answer. Lucy Shib shared a picture of Satoshi Kusama and a screenshot from what looks like a Telegram group on Twitter to wake up Shiba Inu fans. Someone on Telegram joked, "Maybe he's releasing Shibarium tomorrow." Satoshi Kusama replied, "Maybe just kidding. It will come out before May." Even though the words from the lead developer make some people feel better, the majority of people aren't very happy. Since the upgrade was first talked about, people have been upset about how slow the start is going. On multiple cases, the developers haven't stuck to the times they said they would release the game. Developers haven't helped either because they won't let go of a specific date in the past. One person said, "It's so annoying that Shib's lead developer can't just say things as they are, without going around in circles." Now, people in the Shib community are split. We now have POS Swap competing with Shib, but Satoshi Kusama keeps telling us things that aren't true. Okay, people who own Shiba Inus are a large group. Most people who own Shiba Inus were trying to get rich, so most wallets don't have much real value. Even though they have 2 million tokens, this was just a marketing trick to make people feel like they were rich. It's hard to tell who owns the Shiba Inu coin because there are so many of them, but most of them are younger buyers. When you look at the top leaders, you might know a few things about them. For example, not all people who own Shiba Inus do so as a risky business. Shiba Inu's foundation gave Vitalik Buterin 50% of the total stock of Shiba Inu. This made a lot of buzz online because such a well-known person suddenly had a lot of Shiba Inu. In the end, he burned 90% of the tokens and gave 10% to a COVID assistance fund for Indians. Because of this, the biggest owner of Shiba Inu is a dead wallet with the contents of this Shiba Inu burn. The wallet holds 41% of the ship's supplies, and more burns have been done to add to it. A mysterious investor with 48 trillion Shib, or 8% of the total, is the second biggest holder.